Lipgloss, we can get high because me gone. I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. But now nothing's gone wrong, I take a shot.
So for today's video, I'm going to be using these products right here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get some glittery and sparkly lips. I love this look because it's like super cute for like a festival and stuff like that. So I'm going to start off by applying this concealer in my lips because I want to remove anything that it's visible. So I'm just going to cover my whole entire lips, and using a foundation brush I'm going to stipple that and pretty much just blend everything super well. Then afterwards I'm gonna use the same brush because I feel like it's just whatever. So I'm just gonna use that powder right there, and that one is by Maybelline and I think it's called Pure Skin, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lips, and I'm still gonna do the same motion and blend everything super nice. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this Urban Decay lip liner, and I chose this color because it's very soft and like a nudie pink, and I feel like it's perfect for the outline because I don't want it to be super harsh. Remember that we're gonna focus this on our glittery lips or sparkly lips, so yeah. Okay, so I'm taking this regular lipstick, and I'm using this kind because I feel like it's better to work with rather than a liquid lipstick, but you guys can choose or play around with whatever you guys have. So I'm just taking it and pretty much just filling my whole entire lips, and I love this color. It's super pretty, it suits me super well. Okay, so I'm taking this liner seal, and I'm using this one because I don't have eyelash glue, considering I don't use fake lashes, but I will try with some primer or just like any glitter glue that you guys owned. So I'm using this one, and I'm taking this really cute gold sparkly eyeshadow, and this has like micro glitters, and I chose this one because I feel like it's more comfortable in my lips rather than using something like super chunky glitter. And you guys can try with like really chunky glitter, but I don't know, I just really like tiny sparkles and all that. So then I continued to apply it with a brush because it was a lot better than using my finger. It was more precise, so that's why I chose that, and I love the results.
We get lost, we can get high because me gone. I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. But now nothing's gone wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go. Give me your love.
Okay guys, so this is the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun creating it, and this glitter is kind of like too nude for me, but I would use it with like a dark eyeshadow and it will look fantastic. It's still the perfect festival look, and I love it. So bye bye and take care.
We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. But now nothing's gone wrong, I'll take a shot for you.